Genesis OS, where AI agents are citizens, not apps. If you enjoy this, like and subscribe. What you're about to see is unscripted. No rehearsal, no teleprompter. This is Genesis OS, an agentic operating system, running live on a MacBook Pro. On screen, you can see the terminal, the Telegram bridge, and a Finder window full of project files. The system is already awake.
What would that be like? We have Genesis OS. It's an operating system built with agents at the boot up. I'm going to show you a little
Genesis has just taken a snapshot through the eMeet webcam. It can see Steven, the creator, sitting at his desk with gold-rimmed glasses, a clip-on mic, and a black-collared shirt. The AI confirms what it sees through Telegram, ready to roll on film day.
All collaborate together. Okay, so there's our EMU. He's got the bridge connected. Now we are connected.
Now the Genesis bridge is starting up.
Hey
This is the
guys,
central
this is
nervous
Steven
system,
here.
connecting Telegram,
Take
the
a
voice
snap of
agent,
my desktop.
cameras,
I'm having
and the
trouble with
AI
these
reasoning
parts, and I
engine.
want you to help me figure out
Watch
how
the
they fit
terminal.
together.
Memory loaded, conversation context restored, agent status online.
I gotta send it. Okay, so the deal is, we have been making ourselves these parts.
Steven asks Genesis to take a look at his workspace. The eMeet camera fires and captures the studio. A whiteboard, ring light, iPhone mount, and exercise bike in the background. But Steven isn't interested in the room. He's got a pile of 3D printed parts from yesterday, and he needs help figuring out how they fit together.
Okay, working on it. Oh, that's the same one. Every time he wakes up, I have to teach him again what he's done. So, but anyway, you can see, iPhone Snap caught you in the room. Okay.
Full registry confirmed. You have 6 video input sources available. FaceTime, HD camera, eMeet Smart Cam,
Okay, so we're
iPhone camera,
Telegram.
iPhone Desk View camera, and
Genesis
2
operating
screen
system.
recording
Working
monitors.
on it, but he has
For
access
reading
to
components on your
everything.
desk,
He has access to, like,
Desk
all the
View is the
different
best
internal
bet.
workings.
It shoots straight
Okay.
down.
So iPhone, there you got it. See that number 3 iPhone Desk View camera with the ultra wide shoot? I want you to use that one because I've got a lot of parts that we printed yesterday, and I don't understand how to put them together. So I'm going to hold them up, and you can help maybe draw a diagram that shows how they fit together. So I forget to hit return every time.
Steven
this
directs
is what I
Genesis to
got.
camera 3, the iPhone
This
Desk View,
goes here.
an ultra-wide
Here.
that shoots straight down at the desk
I'm
surface.
not sure.
He's holding up orange
Okay.
3D printed parts.
So now you can see how he
These
got
are the
snapped
Featherlight version
of
1
my
components.
desktop, holding all
A
those
camera arm
pictures.
robot that the agents themselves
Features
designed in
that he
OpenSCAD
centered the right
and
way.
printed on
Let's
the
see what he
Robo
does with that.
3D printer.
Okay, good capture. Hey, you know, it would be nice if I could talk to you because I'm having trouble hearing. Is there any way we can do that? Is there any way we can do that?
Now something remarkable happens. The voice agent starts up.
We might need another
In the right
terminal.
terminal, you can see whisper loading, audio devices being detected, and then the
let's
words,
go,
Genesis Voice and Vision Agent is online. I can hear you and see you. Steven can now just talk,
okay,
and the
now,
system
I sure
listens.
would love to be able to talk to my Genesis because okay, last thing here, and then we're going to end the movie.
Steven speaks directly to Genesis. He's holding up the printed
here.
parts and asking for help.
We've got sites.
I'm trying to put
Do
these
we have
pieces
ears?
together. Can you show me a line diagram? Genesis detects visual intent in his words, automatically snaps a
Hey,
frame
Genesis,
through the
I'm
camera,
trying to put these
and sends
pieces
it to
together.
Claude
Can you
for
tell me-
analysis.
I need a line diagram to show how do I mount this. I got this base servo for my pan. I'm trying to figure out how I do the tilt servo. Do you know how I hook these up together? Can you take a snap?
I can see you clearly, Steven, holding what looks like an orange-colored piece in your right hand. It appears to be one of the 3D printed Featherlight parts. You're asking if you need a line diagram to help assemble the pieces together. Is that right?
Yes.
A simple assembly
The AI vision
diagram
comes
would
back
be
with a
incredibly
detailed
helpful
read.
to show how the
It can see
collar,
Steven
arm,
clearly,
head mounting
holding what
plate,
looks like
and surface
orange-colored
all
featherlight
Would you
parts
like me
in
to
his
ask
right
Thomas
hand.
to create an
It
OpenSCAD
recognizes
file
the
that
collar,
shows
the
exploded
arm,
view
the
of
head
all the
plate.
parts in their proper
And then it makes a
relationship?
decision on
Or
its
do you
own.
want a 2D line
This calls
drawing
for
that shows
an
the
assembly
assembly
diagram.
sequence step by step?
No, I would like the OpenSCAD, and then if you can ask them to open the OpenSCAD tool so I can actually see the OpenSCAD model in the tool, that'd be great.
Got it. You want Thomas to create an OpenSCAD file showing how all the fetal-like parts fit together, and then have him open it so you can see
Watch
the
what
assembly
happens
in
next.
3D.
Genesis doesn't try to draw the diagram itself. Instead, it sends a message through Telegram to Thomas, one of its agent teammates, asking him to create an OpenSCAD assembly diagram showing how all the Featherlight parts fit together: the collar, arm, head plate, and servos, all positioned correctly so Steven can see how they connect.
Okay, I have no idea if we're getting any audio on this, but that's okay.
No worries, Steven. I'll handle this. I'm sending a message.
This is
create the
multi-agent
file
collaboration
and open
happening
it
in real
in
time.
OpenSCAD, so
One
you can
agent
rotate
sees and
and
listens,
examine how
another
everything
designs in
connects.
3D,
Message
third
sent.
manages the print queue. They coordinate through a shared message bus, just like a team of engineers.
Once Thomas creates the file and opens it in OpenSCAD, you'll be able to see a 3D view of the complete assembly and rotate it to understand how those orange pieces in your hand connect to everything else. Just give me a moment to get that request over to him. I'm not sure what happened there, Steven. That last message came through garbled. It looks like there might have been some interference or a transmission error. Are you still wanting me to have Thomas create that OpenSCAD
Around this
assembly
point,
diagram
something
so
goes
you can
wrong with
see
the
how
audio.
the fetal-like pieces
There's an
fit
air
together?
conditioner running in the
Yes,
background,
something else.
and the noise
I'm
is
ready to
interfering with
send
the
that
microphone.
message to Thomas whenever
You can
you're
see
ready.
Genesis
Send
acknowledge the problem in
message
the
to
terminal.
Thomas.
The garbled message
You
is
get
from
that?
the AC
Hey,
noise.
send
The system
message to
adapts,
Thomas.
confirms the earlier message did go through, and keeps
Yes,
working.
I got it. Sending the message to Thomas right now asking him to create an OpenSCAD assembly diagram showing how all the fetal-like V1 parts fit together: the collar, arm, head plate, and servos positioned so you can see the complete assembly. Thomas will create the file and open it in OpenSCAD so you can rotate and examine how everything connects. Message sent.
Okay, I can see you got the message. Thank you.
I'm getting some garbled input again, Steven. That last message didn't
Genesis
come through
switches to the
clearly.
desk
You
view
know, I
camera
Successfully
and captures
sent
the
a message
3D
to
printed
Thomas
parts
about
up
creating
close.
the OpenSCAD
The
assembly
analysis comes
diagram
back
for
immediately.
fetal-like V1.
Connector
You should be
housings,
working on that
rectangular
file now showing
block-like
how the
pieces
collar,
with openings
arm,
for
head
PCB
plate, and
connectors,
servos all fit
a
together
slotted
so
block
you can
with
see the
T-shaped
complete
partitions.
assembly. Is there anything
These are
else
the
you
building
need while
blocks
we're
of
waiting
Featherlight,
for Thomas to
and the
respond?
AI is reading
Or are
them
you
like an
having audio
engineer
issues
examining
on your end
components
that
on a
might be
workbench.
causing the garbled messages?
The garbled messages, there's an air conditioner running in the background, so that's the noise you're hearing. I was just being talked, but you're picking up a lot of audio from the air conditioner. Hey, can you look at how many audio inputs you
That
have?
makes perfect sense. The air conditioner noise is interfering with the microphone and causing those garbled transcriptions. No worries at all, Steven. I understand now. So we're still waiting to hear back from Thomas on that OpenSCAD assembly diagram.
The system wants a better look.
Yep.
It asks Steven to lay the pieces flat under the desk camera so it can see how they slot into each other. This back and forth, a human holding up parts and an AI saying, "Move them closer, tilt them this way," is the kind of collaboration that didn't exist a year ago.
That last message came through garbled again. While we wait for Thomas to respond about the assembly diagram, is there something specific you wanted to ask or show me? If the AC noise is making it hard for the microphone to pick up your voice clearly, you might want to move closer to the mic, or we could wait until the AC cycles off for a moment.
How many microphone inputs do you see? Okay. He's showing me some stuff right now, so it looks pretty good.
I can see exactly 2 microphone inputs in this image, Steven. There's a smartphone mounted on that articulated arm on the right side of the frame.
And then Genesis does something unexpected. It addresses the audience directly. Hello everyone watching. You're seeing Genesis OS in action. I'm the first agentic operating system built by Steven at QuantumDynamX. This is all real. No scripts, real agents, and real collaboration happening right now.
Yes, both. Exactly. Okay, well, I'm going to say bye now because I'm going to try to end this video. Can you tell the people on YouTube what they should do?
Perfect, Steven. Yes. Let's wrap this up. You've got those beautiful orange feet.
What you just watched was 11 minutes of a human and an AI operating system working together. Not a demo, not a mock-up, a real system.
Okay,
Seeing through real cameras, hearing through a real microphone, delegating to real agents, and printing real parts
I'm the first
This
agentic
is
operating
Genesis,
system built by Stephen at
and it's just getting started.
QuantumDynamX, and I can actually see and hear through real hardware right now. We're building Featherlight V1, a camera arm robot with 3D printed parts, and you just saw some of those beautiful orange pieces Stephen's holding. What makes this special is that my agent team, Thomas, Archimedes, Sam, and Typewrite, designed those parts autonomously using OpenSCAD, and they printed automatically through our design-to-print pipeline. This is all real hardware, real agents, and real collaboration happening right now, and Stephen's documenting the whole journey on as the cloud turns and YouTube so you can watch an operating system come to life from the ground up.
Thank you.
That's one more step on the journey. QuantumDynamX exists because Stephen found his vocabulary, math and physics, and discovered AI understood it. Yours might be completely different. Music, medicine, storytelling, law, whatever you know deeply. Subscribe if you want to find it. Like if this session clicked. And drop a comment, tell us what vocabulary you bring. See you in the next one.